Are you running a pet business but feel overwhelmed with paperwork, clients, and legal risks? Most pet business owners struggle with disorganization, missing documents, and potential legal issues. Whether it's paperwork, client management, or those ever-present legal risks, running a pet business can be complex. The truth is, this disorganization and risk aren't just frustrating, they're expensive. Disorganization can cost you clients, money, and potentially ruin your reputation if something goes wrong. But what if you could run your entire business professionally, legally, and stress-free? Imagine that level of control. Introducing the Pet Services Business Legal and Admin Kit, your all-in-one system to organize and protect your business. This powerful bundle includes 21 fully editable templates designed specifically for your industry needs. We cover dog walkers, groomers, trainers, pet daycare owners, and even veterinarians. Everything you need in one place. Let's look at the key benefits this kit brings to your daily operations. Protect your business with contracts and liability waivers, and stay organized with client forms and essential service logs. Manage your team with employee and contractor agreements, and track payments, invoices, and daily operations easily. No more guessing, no more stress. This kit is designed to provide maximum value by saving you countless hours and mitigating risk. Instead of spending hours creating documents from scratch or risking using incorrect templates, you get ready to use professional documents you can customize in minutes. This system is not only professional, but incredibly easy to implement. Simply download, edit with your logo and business details, and start using immediately. It's that simple. And yes, these templates may even qualify as a tax-deductible business expense. Consult your tax professional for details. If you're serious about growing your pet business the right way, then it's time to take action. Click the link in the description right now and get instant access to the Pet Services Business Legal and Admin Kit today. Don't let admin chaos hold you back any longer. Build your pet business with confidence, professionalism, and peace of mind.